Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. Diane here. I'm very excited to show you two gorgeous digital kits today. They're a collaboration between Cara Brandon at Cara Brandon Creations and Julie at Dear Julie Julie. I get to be an elf and use these lovely kits to give you ideas of what you can make with all these gorgeous printables. If you want to purchase the kits, I'll have the links to the Etsy shops in the description box below. There are several other elves as well, and we'll be using the hashtag 7DaysSummerDigi2021, so you can find everyone's videos and ideas. I'll have the links to the other channels below as well. So I'm going to put this up here so you can see that. And we are going to go through these kits. So how it's going to work is, on the first day, which it will start May 27th, you'll start seeing the videos of all these, and we'll post each day for 7 days. So on the first day, we're going to use day 1 from Dear Julie Julie's kit, and we'll use day 1 from Cara Brandon's kit. And we'll make ephemera or what have you, and show you what we've made with it so you have some ideas. At the end, I think I might make a journal and put all these lovely things in it, because these are some delicious looking summer fruits in here. It's making me hungry just looking at them. So let's start with day 1. This is Dear Julie Julie's day 1 of the kit. She's got some lovely watermelon cutouts here, a dictionary page, these cool things, some little tiny journal cards here. And then Cara Brandon's day 1 has these gorgeous tags and this cool pocket journal card and some little embellishments, some words and such to use. So day 2 is strawberries. So Dear Julie Julie has these cool journal cards and some little flashcards. And Cara Brandon has this gorgeous collage paper. Sorry, my words were escaping me. I love this collage paper. This will be gorgeous just as a page by itself in a journal. Just do some stenciling on the back just like it is, but we'll give you some more ideas of how you can use that collage paper. Let's see. Let me put these down here. They're getting in the way. Day 3 for Dear Julie Julie. Got this pretty girl here with some raspberries. She looks like she's picking berries. Some journal cards, some ephemera pieces, and some little fussy cuts of the fruit. Lovely. And day 3 of Cara Brandon is this gorgeous, looks like pink lemonade is what it looked like to me, but these bright yellows and just lovely. Some cool labels here to go with the tags in the pocket. Love that one. All right, day 4 looks like lemons. So we have these journaling cards. We have a little dictionary page, some ephemera pieces there from Dear Julie Julie. And then put that up so you can get a better look. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And then from Cara, we have some tags and a pocket, some journal cards, a label, and some little shakers. Aren't those cute? Let's see, day 5, we've got fruits and watermelons here. So Dear Julie Julie's kit has this big watermelon shaped tag and then some fussy cuts here. Don't those just look delicious? You could just eat them right off the page. And day 5 from Cara is another gorgeous collage page. Got some watermelons, strawberries, lemonade. Again, just gorgeous. Day 6 of Dear Julie Julie, we have a large tag, some smaller tags, and journal cards. This cute little girl with her kitty, and some little ephemera pieces to add on. And day 6 of Cara's kit has some strawberries. We have this cool postcard, a pocket, some tags, little circles. Awesome. And Dear Julie Julie day 7, we've got 2 big tags, a couple little journal cards here. And in Cara's we have some journal cards, some ephemera pieces, and then some words. So, in love with these kits. They are so pretty. I'm speechless, but I'm still talking. So the hashtag we're using is 7DaysSummerDigi 2021. So if you look there, there are some people that are on YouTube, there's some that have Instagram, Facebook. It's going to be everywhere starting the 27th, and we'll go for 7 days, so Memorial Day weekend. Now, I do know that Cara's kit right now is on sale for 50% off if you go over there. So, like I said, I'll have the link in the description box, so you'll be able to get that. And I'm just very excited to be part of my first collaboration. Yay! So I'm going to commence fussy cutting all this out, and then we are going to have fun for an entire week. So I hope to see you, and please check out all the other channels in the collaboration as well, and have fun. Bye.